Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about conditional operators in Java and remaining operators like new operator, array indexing operator, and operator precedence in Java. So I will write here conditional operator in conditional operator. Okay, in Java. Okay, which is the conditional operator? So this is the conditional operators available in the Java. Okay, so this is called this is the only possible ternary operator in Java. This is the only possible ternary operator in Java. Okay. After that, most of the time, gives the boolean values as a result. Yes. So how to write this conditional operator in Java? What are the syntax of a conditional operator? Which each and everything we will discuss about a conditional operator in Java. So before going to next discussion, I'm gonna tell you one example. So suppose I have one condition or I have given one number and that I want to check it is even or odd, or if two numbers are there, then which is a greater number, which is the smallest number. Then it is a possible with a conditional operator also, and it is a possible also with if else statement. But at this moment, just we are discussing conditional operator, so we are um, finding the greater number from two numbers with a conditional operator. Okay, so suppose this is my VS Code windows. This is my VS Code window. I will create here one test.java file. Okay, see here main. So how to write a conditional operator? Okay, I have 10. 10 is a greater than 5 or not. I want to check. If it is a greater than, then it return the true value. True means here true. Okay. If it is not a greater than, then false. So the syntax of a conditional operator is like this, and it return the boolean value, boolean result equal to okay. So this is the yellow line. It is just a warning. Remember, if I print the result, then I will get the true value. Result. When I run this program, see here output true. Means 10 is a greater than 5. Condition true. That's why it is a the control is going to the true block. It is only a block like structure. Don't say it a block. Okay. So we can say it is a it is a section. Okay, we can say it is a section, or it is also one section. If this condition is a true, then control will go this section, and if this condition is a false, then control will go in this section. Okay, if for example I write here 15, 10 is a greater than 15, then condition is a false. Okay, when I run the Java program, see here false output. Okay, so we can say that it return the boolean result. This is the syntax. I will write here syntax condition, condition one or a condition. After that, true. or false. This is the syntax. Example first. This is a example first. Okay. So another point about this is, okay, 2 minutes. Copy this, paste here. Okay. Next point. Okay, what happened? Okay, okay, okay. Why it is not showing a black color? Okay, textile normal. It's possible. Okay, okay, okay. So this is the only possible ternary operator in Java. Most of the time it gives the Boolean values as a result. Syntax, condition, true or false. The next example is, we can, or nesting of this conditional operator is possible in Java. Operator is possible. Okay. So what is mean by nesting? If uh, the another condition is between the, or there is a one topmost condition, and in between or in one condition there will be another condition, that is called as a nesting. Suppose I have two condition. If one condition is a true, then only other one is executed. If one or topmost condition is not true, then other will be not executed. That is called as a nesting. So we will see the example. So nesting of this operator is also possible. So see here, I will write one example, then you can understand better. Int num equal to 2. Okay. System.out.println. Suppose uh, num equal to 0, then it will return the 0 as a output. Okay. If this is not possible, the number is, I want to print the even or not. I want to print the given number is a even or not. So I will write again num modulus by 2 equal to 0. If this is a even number, then I will write it is a even number. Okay. If this is not even number, then of course it is odd number. It is odd number. Yeah. So this is a nesting of conditional operator, means ternary operator. So say here, this is a first condition. If this is a true, then it will print the 0. If this is not true, then it will control goes to this condition. If this condition satisfies, then it will print the it is a even number. If this condition is not satisfied, then it will print the it is a odd number. Okay. Share output. It is a even number. Okay. Suppose I write here 0, then definitely we will get the 0 as output. 0. Okay. Suppose I write here 5, definitely I will get the output as a it is odd number. Okay. These three condition we are writing only in one statement. That is the best case, or that is the best use of a conditional operator. Okay. I'll copy this, paste here, example 2. So this is all about the conditional operator in Java. This is all about the conditional operator. The next operator is a new operator. New operator in Java. Java. New operator is used in Java, used in Java to create the object. What is meant by object? What is meant by class? In upcoming class, we will see in detail. So at this moment, just remember new operator is used for the Java, creating the Java objects. So there is no delete operator. There is only a new operator. So there is no delete operator in Java to destroy the objects. Destruction of object is taken care by garbage collector. Oh, so remember, there is only new operator is available in Java to create the object. There is no delete operator in Java to destroy the object, or destruction of object is taken care by the garbage collector. What is mean by garbage collector? Garbage collector is a one predefined program, so that will destroy the object that are not is in use, or how many ways we can make an object to killed by the garbage collector, you can see in upcoming classes. So just remember at this moment, new operator is used in Java to create the object. Okay, I will try to one example how to create the object. Just remember, don't go in detail what is a class, and these all we are seeing in upcoming classes. So for example, if I write here one class student dot java, Student has some student ID. Private, what is a private? So just remember this is a private is a access modifier. So in upcoming classes we will see all private modifier also. So private string is name, private string yes address, student has a name, and student has some ID. This is the main method. If I want to create the object, then syntax of creating the object, student object name is obj equal to new student. This is the syntax. So class name, variable name equal to new operator. This new operator is responsible to creating the object for this class. And this object behind the scene, what happened? One object will be created like this. This is a obj, obj. This obj is referring to this object. This is a student class object. So it contains the student ID, student name, and student address. So I hope you are understanding what is the object. Just remember, new operator is responsible to create the object in a Java. Okay. Next operator, we will see the array indexing operator. Array indexing operator. This operator is used to construct the array in Java. Okay. Every array in Java is an object. Just remember, every array in Java is an object. So how to create the array? My test class. Before going to creating the array, I want to explain what is the array. Until at this moment, where we are putting a values into a one variable. But sometimes my requirement is, for example, I want to store 10,000 values. Can I declare the 10,000 variables? Is it possible? So that's why arrays comes into the picture. So that that is like for example, I want to represent the multiple values with the one variable like 10,000 values, and I want to put that 10,000 values into only one variable. That time array comes into the picture. Array is just simply a index collection of homogeneous data elements. Suppose I created here one array int arr equal to new or here size, then it will store only the integer values, means homogeneous means the same type of values. So this arr variable is responsible to store the four values. Here this is the size of arrays. So this is the one example how to create the array in Java. Okay. Syntax to creating the array in Java. Syntax data type, okay, variable name, variable name. This is the array indexing operator equal to new data type is the size. Okay, I will copy this example. Okay, this is the array creation example. Simple. So next we will learn the operator precedence in Java. Operator precedence in Java. Why operator precedence? Suppose I have given a one expression that contains the multiple operators, then how we can evaluate that operator, which has a highest priority, which has a lowest priority, which has a medium priority. So that is decided by the operator precedence in Java, which operator has the highest priority. So that's why I have stored one image, then you have a clear idea. So this is a Java operator precedence. First one is the unary operator, second one is the arithmetic operator, shift operator, comparison operator, then bitwise operator, then short circuit operator, then conditional operator, then assignment operator. This is the precedence. Number one, number two, number three, number four, number four, sorry, number five, number six, number seven, and number eight. This is a operator precedence in Java. If you want to take a screenshot, then you can take this Windows screenshot. Okay. So here we learn all operators, or we can proudly say that we all we knows the all operators in Java. So thank you everyone. Bye bye. So in next class, we will see the next topic, that is a flow control in Java in detail. Each and every concept, many examples we are going to learn. Or so until at this moment, just remember operators in Java. Don't ignore. This is the fundamental concept of a Java. Okay. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.